All right, so with these, we have a triangle.
1, 2, 3.
And the triangle, they said, is C is always the right angle. That means that C is, that little c, right? Little c is the leg opposite of it. Okay? So in this case, C is equal to 20. Then we have to figure out what A and B is. We don't really care. So we just say, if this is A, this is B. Does that make sense? Yep. So this would be little b, and this will be little a. And it says little b is 12. Okay? Now they want to know what A is. That's what matters. So they want to know what this angle is. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now you could have had it over here. It still would have turned out the same. It just looks backwards. That's all. Okay?
Is that little b?
So that's little b. Big B. Little b is across from big B. Little a is across from big A. Little c is across from big C. I'm just going to break it down for you.
Do it.
Nah. Alright, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If I can do a Pythagorean triple, right? That's way so much better. Way so much. So does 5 go into 20? 5 goes into 20 4 times, right? Does 4 go into 12?
3 times.
3 times. So that means that maybe this side is 4 times what? 4, right? Because then it would be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Now it doesn't look to scale because this looks shorter than this side, right? But it's not about scale. It's about math. Okay?
Your base number.
My face? Okay. Alright. So what is 4 times 4? 16. Yes. So that means this is 16, 12, and 20. So now I can easily write the equation. Cotangent, if cotangent of A, find cotangent. So cotangent of A, if we remember, cotangent is what? SOHCA TOA. TOA. So cotangent is AO, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that means that the cotangent of A is A over
16.
A over O. But wait a minute, but this is A. But that's not A. Because A is adjacent, right? Over opposite. So it's going to be 12 over 16. So don't get confused. Right? It's so easy to get confused. Because we're always using A. We're using A's for adjacent all the time, right? And so it's really easy to get confused. Okay? So, remember, this is opposite. OPP. How can I explain it? Okay? And then this is adjacent because it's touching. Adjacent. And that's the A we're talking about when we're talking about adjacent and opposite. Okay? So, 12 over 16. Can we break that down?
Yes.
How many times?
4.
Yeah. So what do we get?
34.
So the cotangent of A is equal to 3/4. There you go. Should I pause this and then do 20?
Yes.
Okay, let you get caught up too.